Hello everyone, I'm going to do another problem and start with Microsoft Word. So the first question is going to be, I chose this question, are the numbers equal? I like to have it at the top just to remember when I'm looking at it on a different platform. So are the numbers equal? Create a function that takes two integers and checks if they are equal. Alright, so I'll be working in Java, so I need to create a class. Can't remember. It's going to be public class. Boolean because it needs to be true or false. And then we're going to insert two numbers, Boolean. So we have to do, I think, an if loop. We need to check if num1 equals num2. And if it is, then it is true. And if not, it's false. So I think we need an if statement. If num1 equals num2, then I think we need a variable like equal checker equals true. I think we need I think I can put it here. And then else it'll default to false. I think that's right. And return equal checker. And we can public static void string args. Do system .out .println numbers equal 5, 6. End it with a semicolon. And that should be good. We have our semicolons, these are comments. Alright, let's check that. editor. New class is equal forgot again, remember for the future to initialize forgot a paren. Easy fix. Let's run this bad boy. Alright, it's looking correct so far. Let's do some more test cases. And that one should be false. See what we got. We got false, true, false, perfect. Let's do one more test case. Numbers equal. Alright, well that looks good. So I think we have it there. See if two numbers are equal, we use an if-else statement. And we went through the loop one time, then 2 times, and 3 times, and 4 times, and 5 times, for a total of 5 times, which is equal to O of 1 for time complexity. So wicked fast. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you want to follow along. Please follow on YouTube, on my GitHub, and stay tuned for more videos as we do at least one problem a day, and it'll be from here on out. We can only do better. Have a good one, everyone.